Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of the Watercolor Jumpstart, and today we are going to work with blending or making gradients or whatever you want to call the thing where you start with a color and you end up at another color and it's just kind of a smooth transition in between the two. There's no lines or abrupt changes. So to make this happen, we need a wet surface. So you'll see I'm applying water about 2/3 of the way down my piece of paper. And think about how much water you want to add. The more water that's on your surface, the more your paint is going to flow. But at a certain point, it's going to be kind of unpredictable. And if you have too much water on your surface, you're going to kind of lose all of your color payout because it's all being diluted with the water that's in your paper. So keep in mind what color you want. You might have to compensate by applying quite a strong color and then seeing that it spreads out into a lighter color. So here I'm applying a red mixture to the surface of my paper. It looks like a little brush hair got stuck in there. Pulled that out. And you'll see that it's already kind of spreading out and it's creating a pretty smooth transition. So I am making left to right brush strokes just to kind of get it even, trying to see where the paint is pulling up and seeing if I can kind of spread it out evenly. So resist the temptation to overkill it on this. I know it's hard to let things go, especially when it's something as simple as just, there's nothing else to this. It's just the color transition and you don't want to overdo it. Here in the middle, I've just taken water in my brush and I'm kind of spreading things out. And now here at the bottom, I am meeting that 2/3 of the wet puddle. See there, meeting that at the bottom of the puddle, and then I'm adding Payne's gray here at the bottom. That's kind of our blue-gray color that I chose. Your colors do not have to be the same as mine. And you'll see that it's softly kind of spreading out. And you'll see that different colors kind of spread out differently. So the real moral of the story is the more you do this stuff, the more you'll know what kind of water levels you want and how your different colors are going to behave. So the ones that you've picked might not spread out as much as mine. It just every color is going to be a little bit differently. So it really is the irritating thing of just you got to practice to really master this kind of stuff. So and I'll say that just painting a rectangle of graded color, I think it's a little harder than real life painting in the context of a more complex picture. So I hope you're enjoying this so far and learning. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. Follow me on Instagram. It's all linked below. And use the hashtag JumpstartWithJenny so I can see all the cool stuff y'all are making. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.